What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be doing Fire Alarm System Demo Part 10. As you can see, I haven't really been uploading quite a while, but now here it is. We have, oh, please don't. Alright, yeah. Anyways, now we have new strobes now. So here's one, here's two, and guess what? We actually have a new double horn projector. So yeah, the double horn projector. So now, I did mention in the video that, like, if the other video on Roblox hits the likes or something, I'm gonna be doing a video where I'm gonna be becoming a firefighter. That is not gonna be happening today, as because I actually quit Roblox now, because it's not really allowing me to study or any other stuff. It's just making me lazy all day to even, like, upload stuff, which, yeah. So that's why I quit Roblox now. So yeah. And yeah, please do not ever ask me to, like, download back Roblox ever again. Alright, I do not want to play it. Anyways, let's go ahead and start off with the pull station first. As you can see, we have new pull stations now. Yeah. So let's go ahead and test the first one. Oh my. 3, 2, 1. Literally see the double horn projector going off. So double horn projector looks like this, like 2 note blocks next to it. Alright, so the system is now normal. We've already reset the system, so let's move on to the next pull station. 3, 2, 1. You can literally see both of these strobes flashing. That's so cool. So here's how the system works. First of all, there's going to be a coder right here, mentioned in all the other fire alarm system demos in the craft world. So the second, the comparator is on subtraction mode, and so the second this redstone turns on and off, this redstone torch is going to be turning on and off as well. That is how the strobes and note blocks are repeatedly going off. Yeah. Alright. Here's a couple of these pull stations as well. Alright, let's reset the system. Nice. So now, let's go ahead and move on to the next pull station, which is right in this wall right here of cobblestone. 3, 2, 1. Let's listen to the note block. you can literally see these two note blocks. This is kind of cool. Alright, let's reset the system. Alright, so as you can see, this is the basic system of the fire alarm system. So, yeah. So, yeah, let's go ahead and test the next pull station, which is conveniently enough. You know what? Let's just pull all the pull stations. Please stop. Thanks. Reset. Now, yeah. So, as you can see, all these pull stations are working perfect. Alright, so as you can see, this pull station is working well. This pull station is working well. This pull station is working well. Even this one. Alright. So every single one of these pull stations are working well. Let's go ahead and pull the last one, the last two. 3, 2, 1. They both sound the same. Wow. I just cannot believe my eyes. Here is the fire indicator that indicates to you that the system's currently going off. Now, here is the last pull station we're going to be pulling. 3, 2, 1. What? Wait, wasn't this supposed to work? Hold on. Oh, right. Alright, now I see why. Let's go and pull it. 3, 2, 1. What? Hold on. Wasn't this supposed to work? Hold on. Oh, that makes sense. I needed to place a repeater. Okay, so now that the system has been reset, let's go ahead and say that is going to be it for today's video. If you want to see another one, please do so by hitting the like and subscribe button, hitting the bell icon for notifications, and I'll see you all in the next one. Peace out.